My fellow Nigerians, I beg, mo gonna help me beg Leko, Big Brother Nigeria. March this year, I come Nigeria, so I come meet Lekon for Quilos for VI club, Quilos club for VI. So we come with me and my friends and Lekon friend. So we come there together. We come there drink. We drink. And the next day, I won't catch my flight the next day. So I follow Lekon go house. Lekon Big Brother Nigeria. I follow and go house. So we can't fuck normally. I can't come back to where I dey stay. So not knowing say I don't get belle. So after I can't they vomit. I can't say I don't get belle. So the number wey give me now, because now one night stand. So number wey give me maybe no correct because me that I don't drink. The number they try and they call and the number no they go. I don't call, you know they go. I don't know I want to reach the family. I don't know I want to see him till I can finally see him for Big Brother Naija. So when I see him, I can say, this is the guy. So thank God I don't see him. At least I don't go born bastard. Mona help me share this video. May it reach Lekon hand. At least may he can't take responsibility as a father. Because I know one born bastard. You understand? Even my family self, they go disown. My mama self go disown me. I beg Lekon, I beg where you dey. Come, because he know me. If you show on this video, he know me. He know my face. Wanna see my face. Lekon know me. If you show on this video, he knows me. So you know if he deny, I beg. No be say na anything. Na just one night stand. I no get where I go sleep. I need to catch my flight. So I got to follow him to his house so that I go spend the night with him. The next day I go travel. I don't know say I go carry belle. I beg, Mona help me share this video. May it reach in hand. May it reach the family in hand so that he go can't take responsibility of each child. My phone number now +9 178 976 7138. My number be that. Or if you know if you reach me for my number, my Instagram name now, call me Dera. So I beg, at call me Dera. If you reach me for them, if you know if you reach me for my number, Nicole Big Brother Naija, I beg. I'm pregnant for you. This video, Mona show, make sure say this video reach Nicole hand. May una help me, Nigeria people. I beg, Mona help una sister. No one bomb bastard. I beg. I beg una. Now make me I con this Facebook so. Why I con this internet so say make I tell una. Mona help me beg Nicole. Say that girl you carry for one night stand. Say you don't get belle so that you can't take care of my pikin. I beg. I don't know want to know. I know they Nigeria. If I dey Nigeria, I fit go the house where be say we foresee. But I know they Nigeria. I no one bomb bastard. I beg. Mona help me. Thank you. God bless you now.